Hello, this is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2010 Audi A5 Quattro. The Quattro means it's all-wheel drive, and this has a four-cylinder turbocharged engine, very smooth and powerful. Beautiful body styling. It's a black, solid black with a light gray interior. Interior is in excellent condition. Power front seats. Rain sensing wipers. Full power top. This is a sport steering wheel. Nice stainless trim with the wood. This has rollover protection. In case of an accident, you have some roll bars that pop up there behind the headrests. Dual exhaust. Here we go. There we go. It's a real wood grain trim. Nice stainless around the windshield as well. Very well maintained. Take a look at the Carfax. Beautiful 4-passenger, all-wheel drive convertible. Thank you for looking in.